Hey, Kevin here, Firehouse Education, and I want to give you a little peek behind the door here on another product that we offer that has really saved our bacon more than once over the years. We have a very litigious industry, or potentially litigious industry, that we are working in, and you really have to CYA, and that's cover your assets. And the reason is because if you don't document and keep track of everything you do on losses with the insurance companies and homeowners, there is potential there for lawsuits, bottom line. And you know, one day we were sitting in our offices and we had a deputy sheriff walk into our building and serve us a lawsuit, and so we were sued for about 5 minutes, and here's the story. We had a customer on a loss that we were actually working with another contractor on, and they had a lot of contents that were destroyed in the loss. And so what we did was we documented all the items that were being destroyed, and they signed off on that they were authorizing us and releasing us from liability to dispose of these items. Lo and behold, several months later, we got process served for a lawsuit claiming that we had no right to dispose of their items, and they were suing us for thousands and thousands of dollars. Well, we immediately called their attorney and asked them what was this all about, and turned out that they literally were suing us for the things that they said we could get rid of. And we said, well, we do have documentation on hand right now that can show you that they authorized us to dispose of each and everything that they're claiming that we did not have authorization of. Would you like to see that? And he said, would you fax that over to me? And we did, and called us back within a few minutes and said, you're no longer in the lawsuit. So the moral of the story is, make sure to cross your T's and dot your I's in this industry, and the way you do that is by using these authorization and release forms. Now, there are others out there in the industry that are about 5 times the price for about half the amount of forms that we offer, so the bargain is right here, and these will keep you out of trouble and keep you from ever getting sued. And so if you don't have documents like this in your company, I highly suggest you get some, and these are a great set to get. So not only do you get this manual, which has all the printed copies of all the forms and explanations on how to use them, when to use them, what losses to use them on, but there's a CD with all these printed on digital, so you can literally put them in your computer, put your business information on them, and print them up and use them. So take a look at our products page, follow it down to this product, and you can get these for a very reasonable price.